Hello dear student, this is Samarpan Gyan School. You are welcome in maths class. This is class 8, lesson number 4, practical geometry, lecture number 2. In the last lecture, we see exercise 4.1, question 1 and 2. Now we continue exercise 4.1. First we solve example number 3. See the example. Construct parallelogram MORE. Construct parallelogram MORE where OR equal to 6 centimeter, RE equal to 4.5 centimeter and EO equal to 7.5 centimeter. As usual, I told you in the last lecture that when you see the question, try to draw the rough sketch. It is very helpful to you to draw the answer figure. Now see the rough sketch of parallelogram. In general, you know the parallelogram figure. Now OR 6 centimeter is given. Then we draw MORE as a parallelogram. Give the vertices MORE and MO is equal to 6. MO is equal to you have given the length. First you have given the length RE 4.5 centimeter and OR equal to 6 centimeter. Now in the diagram I write OR is equal to 6 as well as ME equal to also 6 and this 6 is written in the bracket. Why it is written in the bracket? Because OR and ME are the opposite sides and opposite sides are equal length in the parallelogram. Therefore, whatever the length of OR, that is the length of ME and both are 6 centimeter. Similarly, RE is equal to 4.5 centimeter is given. That's why RE and MO both are opposite to each other. They are equal. Hence, MO is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Means as soon as we have given that this is the parallelogram, then we must understood that opposite sides are equal. OR opposite to ME, therefore OR equal to ME. ER opposite to MO, therefore ER is equal to MO. Hence, the rough diagram shows us the 5 sides. In the question, we have given only 3 sides. Till in our rough sketch, we getting the length of 5 centimeter because opposite sides are equal in the parallelogram. And the last 5th length is EO, that is 7.5, one diagonal. Therefore, the 4 sides of the quadrilateral and one diagonal is known here. Therefore, it is a construction of type 1. Okay. Now, we start the actual construction. See the steps first. What are the steps given? These steps need not write you in the exam. But I am giving it to understand how to draw. What are the steps required? By which sequence you have to construct the figure. Then our first step is draw OR equal to 6 centimeter. See in the figure OR equal to 6 centimeter. It is given there. OR is 6 centimeter. See now OR equal to 6 centimeter. Now from O as a center we are taking the distance 7.5 centimeter. And from O we taking the arc to the E. Then 7.5 centimeter is the radius, O is the center and we are taking the small arc OE. Similarly, taking R is the center and 4.5 as the radius and from arc we are taking one more arc to cut the arc in the step 2. And whatever the joining point, cutting point, point of intersection of both arcs, its name is E. Then we join OE and RE and we are getting the triangle ORE. Now the next part of the construction is consider E is as a center and we want ME, means we have to plot the point M in the diagram. Therefore take again 6 centimeter as a radius, E is the center and draw one more arc toward the M side. To cut this arc M, take the distance 4.5 centimeter. Consider O as a center and from O cross cut intersect the previous arc and that cutting intersecting point of the both arc the name of that point is M. Then your target is to join the line ME and to join MO. In this way, we are getting the complete figure MORE and it is the parallelogram. And the steps to revise these are given here. You read one step, construct it, and your figure must matches with this figure. This is our the construction question number 3 from the exercise 4.1. Similarly, now we proceed for the question number 4 from the same exercise. It is given that construct a rhombus BEST. Rhombus BEST. Meaning of rhombus, 4 sides equal. What is given? BE equal to 4.5 and ET is equal to 6 centimeter. Then in the rhombus, first as soon as we have given the question, we draw the rough sketch. Now in the rhombus, all 4 sides are equal. If you give the name BEST to the diagram, you understood that BE is equal to 4.5. Therefore, whatever the sides written in the bracket, these are the length of the sides that you think your own and give the respective sides. Therefore, by the imagination, SC is equal to 4.5, ST equal to 4.5 and BT is equal to 4.5. And one more length is given, ET is equal to 6 centimeter, that is the diagonal. Again, it is the problem of type 1 because 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Now we see the actual steps how to draw the answer figure. Likewise, in the parallelogram, in the question number 3, we do the same steps. First, we draw the baseline ST 4.5 centimeter. Then the diagonal from the T with the 6 centimeter. The side from S is the 4.5 centimeter. Both are touches to each other at the point E. From the point E, we are taking the 4.5 centimeter distance and take the arc towards the B. From the point T, we are taking again the distance 4.5 to cut the previous arc from T to B and join the line BE and BT. And in this way, our rhombus BEST is made. For writing this, for drawing this construction, the steps are given to you. You can follow the steps given in the video. The steps are given. First you try to draw yourself. And if you have any doubt, then you only observe that construction steps and complete your construction. In this way, question number 3 and 4 we completed today and exercise 4.1 get over. Now today's homework is do the exercise 4.1 once again and solve the example 1 from NCERT. Thank you very much. See you soon.